Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can curve text on Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is maybe go to templates, and then you can obviously pick whatever you want on here, but if you want to set up a logo you can click on that. Then you can obviously pick one of these templates. If you've got Canva Pro or the ones that are free, you can also select them as well. But if you want to start from a blank logo, just obviously click on here. And then you can obviously add some kind of logo design on here, whatever you want to do. And then obviously you just go to text, then you can add your heading. And once you've got that set up on there, you just need to go to effects on the top right, and then scroll down on here, and underneath shape you should see curve, so you want to click on that. And once you're on here, you should see underneath as well, you can adjust the curvature however suits you best. So obviously you can change the degree of the curve. And once you're happy with that, you can obviously just place it wherever suits you best. And also another helpful thing to do once you've put the curved text in is you can adjust the spacing of the letters as well to make it look a bit more suitable. So that's how you can curve text on Canva. Thanks for watching.